there is a brand new website that will pay you $30 to $60 an hour right from your phone just for surfing the web. And no, this is not a joke. In fact, this site is used by some of the biggest companies in the world who want your opinion on things like the look and functionality of their websites. And yes, this is completely free, available worldwide, and is already being used by thousands of people to make $30 to $60 an hour from their phone and have the funds deposited directly into their PayPal accounts. And as an added bonus, I'm going to share 2 other websites where you can make money right from your phone for doing nothing more than surfing the web. So imagine what an extra $30 to $60 an hour can do for you. You can do this on the train. You can do this in a waiting room. You can do this on your couch. You can do this in bed. So if this sounds like something that you would be interested in, make sure you watch the video all the way until the end. Give it a like and subscribe to our channel. This is Online Moneymaker. The first website I want to share with you is used by some of the largest companies on the planet, and they want to pay people like you to do basic research on the web for them. And this is called AskWonder.com. Now, full disclosure, this is a little more in-depth than the last 2 websites I'm going to share with you. However, it does pay very well. To get started here, you want to come up to the right-hand side and hit Become a Researcher. How this works is that whenever you are ready to make a little bit of money, you visit the dashboard and you can choose from different tasks. And those tasks can be anything from recommend a product or service, competitive landscaping, explain a trend or phenomenon, gather statistics, or determine the size of a market. So this is a little more in-depth research on your part, and I do suggest that you have more than basic computer skills. However, this can be done from your phone, and as you can see, there are plenty of testimonials attesting to the validity of this website, and they do pay out consistently to your PayPal account. And all you need to do to get started is fill in the basic information, first and last name, email address, and a password, and the city that you live in. This website is called CashKick.com, and this website will pay you directly into your PayPal account for doing the things that you're doing anyway on your phone or computer, like watching videos, surfing the web. They also have paid surveys. However, I suggest you steer clear of those because they just take too long, they're too boring, and they don't pay you enough. Rather, you want to focus on the watching videos and surfing the web. To get started here, all you need to do is enter your email address, choose a password, and push Get Started Now. As you can see by the testimonials on this website, it is 100% legit, and it is paying out people into their PayPal accounts every day by the thousands. As you can see, this is a very simple process. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You find a mission and complete it. You watch your earnings grow in your account, and they let you cash out into your PayPal account as often as you want. So what exactly will you be doing? Basically, companies want to pay you to critique them. They are eager to put deals in front of you, and they want you to give them feedback. You've already got opinions, so why not get paid for your opinions from your phone? If you're liking this video so far, please give it a like, boom, and subscribe to the channel. I'm about to reveal to you the website that's going to pay you the most money, the easiest way by far that I've found to make money from home. Here it is. This website is called Userfeel.com. That's Userfeel.com, and this is a website where companies pay people like you and me to test their apps and websites. And yes, this can be done from your phone. So the first thing you want to do is come up here to the right hand side and push Become a Tester. As you can see, this website will pay you $10 per test, and each test takes no more than 10 to 20 minutes to complete. So that's anywhere from $30 to $60 an hour. So if you were to do this for 8 hours a day, you are making anywhere from $240 to $480 per day. There is no reason to have a job outside your home. This is the one. This is where you can make great money just working from home. And yes, they pay you directly into your PayPal account or Amazon gift cards. This is not one of those wonky sites that makes you earn points that you then redeem for cash. This is direct to your PayPal account. It couldn't be easier than that. So what do you need to do to get started here? Well, the first thing you need to do is you need to have a Mac computer or a Windows computer with a microphone. And if you have a laptop, then you already have a microphone built in. If you have a Windows computer, you need to have some sort of working microphone, but not to worry. You can buy the cheapest one for around $2, and that's all you need. And again, this is completely free. You will never be asked to purchase a service or pay any money out of your own pocket at any time. So what does it take to get started? You need to take a quick qualification test, and all that is a quick test to make sure you have a working microphone. And then from there, you'll be asked screener questions to see what tests you qualify for. So for instance, if a client needs to test a website selling baby strollers, you may be asked whether or not you have small children. Now my advice to you is when you get these screener questions, you're going to be able to tell pretty quick what the test is about and how you should answer. So if you do get a question, do you have small children, you always answer yes, because you're going to get the test. So what does all this entail? Basically, you're going to be asked to look on a company's website and critique it. So you need to be able to look at the website and speak at the same time, and they do not want you just to read the copy off the website. They already know what that says. You need to be a very critical tester. They want to know what's good about it, what's bad, and that's it. Furthermore, you will never be asked to give out personal data about yourself. The only information that you will ever be asked to give is basic demographic data, like your age, your native language, and your web experience. Now, when you are asked what level of web experience you have, you want to answer at the top, anywhere from highly proficient to proficient. Don't say you have limited web experience, because you won't get any tests. Remember, with these websites, there's no shame in lying to these people to get your tests. You're here to make money, okay? This is great for stay-at-home moms. If you got an extra 20 minutes a day, go make 30 to 60 bucks. This couldn't be easier. Just remember to answer the initial questions correctly. Like I said, if they ask you if you have small children and you don't, you answer yes. If they ask what's your level of web experience, you answer a lot. Highly proficient. You get it. If you liked today's video, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is Online Moneymaker.